Okay, time to take a look at this new hive and see what's going on. Well, I don't see any bees coming or going. That's not a good thing. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, we have bees. Awesome. All right. So this frame here, this is the frame I transplanted from the other hive right next door. Let's go ahead and pull some of these out, take a look. Alright, so this is transplanted frame. Lots of wax. Lots of action on this side. Lots of larvae. See some eggs. I guess we're looking for queen cells. Hopefully that's in focus. So these next three frames are the ones with the rubber bands that were transplanted from Shane. And I don't know. There's a lot of work going on, but it looks like, I don't know if everything's just hatched out. It's very lightweight. Or if the bees are relocating things. Not sure. Not much smoke. All right. This one looks like kind of similar. Lots of activity, but I don't know what it is exactly. Definitely lightweight, so a lot of whatever was there is not there anymore as far as brood and honey. Yeah, this one too. Oh, I see beetle larvae. Alright, so now, see all that beetle larva? Yeah, so I think I'm going to leave this one out. That's not good. Yeah, there's no value in that, so I'm just going to set that one over here. I don't have a freezer big enough out here for that, but I'll replace it. And then I'm also going to put some more feed in it, some more sugar syrup. Oh, big time beetle infestation down at the bottom of this. Wow. Larvae everywhere on the bottom. I'm not sure what to do on that. Well, I'll clean it out at least. Yeah, I see some larvae, beetle larvae in this one too. Alright. Well, maybe we have to call this a failure. See the beetle larvae in there? Hopefully you can see that. See the beetle larvae? Let's try to clean that out. Well, I guess I'll put this back together. See what happens. I guess they still might make a queen. Some other frames. Yeah, don't need that many. Sorry guys, I spilled a little bit. Okay, that stick's not quite big enough, but that's all I've got. Alright. Best we can do on that. Let's take a quick look at this hive here. Is my best hive, strongest hive. And this, I put the ApiGuard treatment in. So that's the ApiGuard. It's almost gone. You're supposed to replace it after 2 weeks, which would be next weekend. With all that beetle larva in the other hive, definitely makes me nervous about this one. For some reason my watch has decided to play music while I'm videoing. Wow, this is really heavy. Looks like we got some honey being stored up here. Oh man. Very, very heavy. Huh, look at that. Stupid watch. Alright, we got almost every frame full on this bottom box. I don't see any beetle larvae at the bottom, which is good. Yeah, this is looking healthy. Lots of brood. A little bit of honey. This hive is just doing great. More brood. Not a lot of honey so far. A little bit. Not sure what to do about that. There's two of these things on top. Probably ought to scrape them off. Brood all over the place. Look at that. Yeah, I think I better clean that up before it gets out of control. They are not happy now. Alright, that's probably good enough. Don't see any beetles really. Just lots and lots of bees. Alright. Let's take a look at some of these frames that seem to be full of honey. Lots of action there. All honey. Wow. Kind of late in the year for that, but this I think is all honey as well. Oh man, this one is super heavy. Wow. This is like hurting my back to even pick it up. Yeah, that's going to be all honey. Incredible. Wow, I guess that's all honey. Just dripped out of there. Okay, enough of that. This hive looks like it's in good shape. The apple guard is almost gone, but I'll leave that in there. A psychotic watch that plays music for no reason over here. Take a quick look at this. This is the hive that is not doing as well, but it's an original hive. And you know what? There's a lot of activity up here. With this top deep box, they've never really built it out much. Oh, that's annoying. Why won't it stop? Hey, it stopped. Alright, so this top deep doesn't really have much of anything built out. So I'm just going to pull this off. Now in this one, since there's fewer bees, the apple guard is still there. Some of it is still there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and feed these guys. I didn't feed them. I haven't fed them in a long time, so I haven't fed them this fall at all. But let's take a quick look. What we got here. Oh, beetle thing. Got a few beetles in there. Not much. A little bit of larvae. Mostly just debris. Alright, we got some honey being stored away. Not much on this side. More honey. There's some brood. We got some eggs and some larvae. Let me get a better view of that for you experts, so you can tell me if I'm seeing things. Yeah, I see some larvae, I believe. All right, more brood. I'm sure the queen's on here somewhere. I haven't seen her. This is getting a little out of hand down here. But we'll let it go. I don't see any beetle larvae in the bottom. That's good. More brood. Really not much honey being stored. Let me get another close up of this. If I can get it in the sun. Are those queen cells? Swarm cells? I don't know. I think I'm supposed to remove these. Lots of brood. Lots of brood. All right, so it's not doing terrible. It's just not as many bees as the other one. All right, some honey it looks like. Well, brood and maybe honey over here. Yeah, so they've made progress. There's like all the frames in the bottom box they now have activity, except maybe one. So that's an improvement. Only one, maybe 2 frames without much build out. All right, let's give them something to drink.